Welcome to the Screen Service channel. Now in repair Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Remove the back cover. Unfasten screws. Disconnect and remove the wireless charging. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the interconnect cables. Remove the loudspeaker assembly. Remove the interconnect cables. Disconnect and remove the earpiece speaker. Disconnect the remaining 3 connectors. Remove the motherboard. Separate the screen from the frame. Check the screen without broken glass. Install the new screen glass. Check the operation after replacement. Thanks for watching.